Mason and Fifth Honest Review. Look before you search for a rental property. Most people get this wrong. They assume all rental platforms are the same. But Mason and Fifth offers a unique approach that focuses on curated listings and verified properties. Mason and Fifth specializes in helping renters find high-quality apartments, houses, and shared accommodations, particularly in major cities. One standout feature is the detailed property verification process. Each listing is vetted for accuracy, including photos, floor plans, and landlord credentials, which reduces the risk of scams or misleading ads. Most people assume that rental searches are simple. Just pick a location and budget. The surprising truth is Mason and Fifth also provides neighborhood insights, like average commute times, local amenities, and safety ratings. This helps renters make informed decisions beyond just price and size. Another advantage is the built-in communication tools. Tenants can message landlords directly through the platform, schedule viewings, and even submit rental applications online. This streamlines the process and reduces the back and forth often experienced with traditional rental listings. However, there are some considerations. Mason and Fifth may have fewer listings than larger, global platforms, especially in smaller towns. Premium features, like early access to new properties, may require subscription or registration. In conclusion, Mason and Fifth is a reliable choice for renters who value curated listings, verified properties, and detailed neighborhood insights. If you are looking to avoid scams and save time, it's worth checking out before starting your rental search. Subscribe for more honest rental platform reviews before you start your next property hunt.